Welcome back to How to Draw. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of Incredibox to create Wenda Phase 3 from Sprunki. This design is unique, funky, and so much fun to draw. Grab your pencils, and let's get started. Step 1. Drawing the head and base shape. We'll start with the head. Begin by drawing a rounded, slightly oval shape for Wenda's head. Below it, sketch a rectangle for the neck and base. Keep your lines light so you can make changes easily if needed. Drawing advice. Take your time with the basic shapes. If you get these proportions right, the rest of the drawing will flow naturally. Don't be afraid to erase and adjust as you go. Step 2. Adding facial features. Next, let's work on the face. Start with 2 large, expressive eyes. Draw circles and position them close together. Add a simple curved line for the mouth to capture Wenda's playful expression. For extra detail, sketch a small, wavy shape near the bottom to represent the tongue. These features help bring out Wenda's quirky personality. Drawing advice. Focus on symmetry, but don't stress over making it perfect. Slight imperfections can add charm and character to your drawing. Step 3. Adding the iconic details. Now, we'll add the fun details that make Wenda Phase 3 so recognizable. Sketch the funky hair. Start with a few sharp, spiked shapes curving outward from the top of the head. Then, add the bold headphones on either side of the head, making them slightly rounded and large. These are essential to the character's design. Drawing advice. Think of the hair and accessories as shapes that flow naturally with the head. Imagine them wrapping around the form, which helps add depth and movement. Step 4. Drawing the neck and shoulders. From the head, draw a slender, slightly curved neck. Add 2 broad, sloped shapes for the shoulders, keeping the lines smooth. Be sure to include the details of Wenda's unique outfit, such as the thick scarf-like shape across the neck and the simple patterns on the shoulders. Drawing advice. Use reference images or pause the video when needed to focus on the finer details. Breaking down complex shapes into smaller parts will make them easier to draw. Step 5. Final touches and refinements. Now, refine your lines, clean up any sketch marks, and add some shading or patterns to bring your drawing to life. This is where you can personalize Wenda Phase 3 with your own creative flair. If you want, you can also add vibrant colors to match the Sprunki vibe. And there you have it, Wenda Phase 3 from Sprunki. Thanks for joining me in this fun and creative journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing drawing lessons. Share your version of Wenda in the comments below. I'd love to see your artwork. Until next time, keep drawing and stay creative.